What are the main features of the Matatag curriculum? The main features are focus on foundational skills. So we focus on literacy and numeracy skills in K-3. Decongested curriculum. We significantly reduced the number of learning competencies. Balanced cognitive demands. As the grade level progresses, there is a shift from the focus on the low levels to higher order thinking skills. Clearer articulation of 21st century skills. So there is an emphasis on the 21st century skills such as information, media and technology skills, learning and innovation skills, communication skills, and life and career skills. Reduced learning areas. Reduced learning areas from 7 to 5 in Key Stage 1. Intensified values education and strengthened peace education. Intensification of values formation of learners through good manners and right conduct, and values education in adherence to Republic Act 11476 and integration of peace concepts into the curriculum, and we made sure that our curriculum is on a par with international standards. Our major concern was the congestion of the curriculum, which necessitated streamlining its intent and content. As seen on this slide, the Matatag curriculum for grade 1 has shifted from offering 7 learning areas to only 5 that focus on strengthening literacy and numeracy. New learning areas, language, reading and literacy, and makabansa are introduced. These learning areas have been deliberately crafted rather than simply merging or integrating the existing learning areas. The creation of a language curriculum gives more emphasis to the development of oral language skills for communication in the learner's first language, which is essential in developing foundational skills for literacy and learning other content areas. Reading and literacy equips learners with a strong foundation in reading skills, comprehension, and critical thinking, and concurrently fosters a love for reading and helps learners develop the necessary skills to become confident and proficient readers. Mathematics remains a significant part of the Matatag curriculum. Mathematics is not just about numbers and equations, but equips students with problem-solving abilities, logical reasoning skills, and the capacity to think analytically, all critical for their future endeavors. In the Matatag curriculum, our goal is to move beyond rote learning and make mathematics an engaging and enriching learning area for our students as early as grade 1. We also introduced a new learning area called Makabansa that seamlessly weaves vital content and skills from civics, arts and culture, history, and physical education and health. Layunin ng Makabansa na maikintal sa murang kaisipan ng mga mag-aaral ang malalim na pag-unawa sa sarili at kolektibong pagkakakilanlan bilang isang Pilipino na nakaugat sa kanyang pagiging bahagi ng komunidad, bayan, lungsod, lalawigan at maging rehiyon. Payayabungin ng Araling Panlipunan sa mga susunod na baitang ang nasyonalismo, patriotismo at kagalingang pansibiko bilang isang Pilipino, Asyano at mamamayan ng daigdig. Finally, the fifth curriculum content we streamlined is GMRC, or Good Manners and Right Conduct, which we believe needs more emphasis in a world that is increasingly without borders, where we need to teach learners how to respectfully engage various relational dynamics in a changing world and be inclusive citizens of their communities and the world. In sum, we reduced the learning areas with only 5 for grade 1 and grade 2, 6 for grade 3, and 8 for grades 4 to 10. Ang mga bansa ay naglalayong makahubog ng isang aktibong mag-aaral sa pamamagitan ng paglinang ng mahahalagang kasanayang nagpapamalas ng pagkakakilanlan, pagkamalikhain, pagkamalusog at pakikipag-ugnayan sa kapwa at sa iba pang aspeto ng lipunan tungo sa pagiging holistikong Pilipinong taglay ang ika-21 siglong kasanayan. Layunin din nitong mapaunlad ng mga mag-aaral ang pag-unawa sa sarili at kultural na kamalayan, kasanayan upang maging malusog at malikhain at may kakayahang makikipag-ugnayan sa kapwa at pamayanan. Kabansa will be reinforced in grades 4 to 10 as learners examine and understand nationalism in the context of the national narratives, Southeast Asian context, and global dynamics and processes in araling panlipunan. Sa murang isipan pa lamang ng mga bata ay naikikintal na sa kanila na alamin ang Pilipinas at sa mga susunod na baitang maipamulat na mahalin ito at pagsisilbihan nila ito. Know the Philippines, love the Philippines, and serve the Philippines is heavily inculcated in Makabansa and Araling Panlipunan learning areas and widens their understanding as they tackle Southeast Asia context and global dynamics and processes. We decongested the curriculum by 70% while ensuring that the heavier weight of the learning areas would be on English, Filipino, Science, Mathematics, and EPP or TLE or Technical Livelihood Education, all of which supports our focus on the essential skills of literacy and numeracy. The act of decongesting our curriculum, reducing overcrowding, and focusing on the essential elements of learning has profound implications for our learners' educational experiences. First, this approach now provides learners with the time needed to truly understand and assimilate the foundational elements of learning rather than simply dabbling in a vast array of topics. Second, a less crowded curriculum allows learners to focus more intently on each learning area, leading to a deeper comprehension and retention of knowledge. Ultimately, the net effect of this transformation is a more targeted, effective, and meaningful learning experience. We ensured that all components under each 21st century skill are clearly defined with specific examples that manifest in various learning areas. We recognized the importance of reinforcing the 21st century skills of our Filipino learners, aiming to equip them beyond just the traditional learning domains. The focus is on developing competencies that are vital in today's digital and global world. These include digital literacy. As we inhabit an increasingly digital world, the curriculum aims to enhance learners' ability to use, create, and understand digital media, ensuring they can navigate this digital age effectively. Critical thinking and problem solving. These skills are paramount in a complex world. We aim to enhance learners' capacity to analyze situations, make decisions, and solve problems creatively and efficiently. Future orientation or thinking. This refers to the ability to anticipate future trends and consequences, demonstrating forward thinking and strategic planning skills crucial in a rapidly evolving world. Resilience and adversity management. This skill set empowers students to face challenges, recover from setbacks, adapt to change, and keep going in the face of adversity. By strengthening these key areas, the Matatag curriculum aims to ensure that our learners are not only knowledgeable, but also adaptable, forward-thinking, resilient, and well-equipped for the 21st century. Values education is now intensified to ensure we inculcate the right values across all levels, from kindergarten to grade 10. We have done this by introducing good manners and right conduct in kindergarten to grade 6 and values education in grade 7 to 10. This is also in keeping with the GMRC and values education law. The focus here is on nurturing the learner's essential socio-emotional skills such as empathy and resilience, contributing to their emotional well-being and interpersonal relationships, and ultimately building a strong character. O ang tapang humarap sa anumang hamon, foster social responsibility, and encourage active community participation. Ang pagsasabuhay ng pagmamahal sa Diyos, sarili, pamilya at kapwa, kalikasan, bansa at daigdig, tungo sa kabutihang panlahat ay tinuturo dito sapagkat ang tunguhin ng asignaturang ito ay makapaghubog ng kabataang Filipino na nagpapasya ng mapanagutan, kumikilos ng may wastong pag-uugali at pagkiling sa kabutihan. According to the United Nations, in strengthening peace education, learners are provided with a set of values, attitudes, modes of behavior, and ways of life that stand against violence and prevent conflicts by tackling their root causes to solve problems through principled dialogue and negotiation among individuals, groups, and nations. Peace education concepts such as self-awareness, community engagement, rights and responsibilities, community resilience, human security, disaster risk reduction and mitigation, and peace security, among others, are systematically integrated in the different learning areas across grade levels. In addition, concepts such as culture and intercultural relations, environmental stewardship, and local, national, and global systems and processes which are found in Makabansa, Araling Panlipunan, GMRC and Values Education, Science, and even MAPE, Advanced Peace Education in the curriculum. These are to be taught following an expanding environment model which starts at the personal level, followed by relational, local, national, and global perspectives. Finally, these are articulated not only in cognitive dimensions, but more importantly, in socio-emotional aspects and behavioral terms, which ensure holistic development among Filipino learners.